Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can transfer cryptos from Cash App to Binance account. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing first, you have to log in into your Cash App account, and once you're logged into your account you have to tap on USD, which is right in between, so that you can select the currency type. So as you tap on it, there's a drop down menu, so you have to select the currency type, and once you're done selecting the currency you have to enter the amount of cryptos that you want to transfer, and once you're done entering the amount, tap on send. And now you have to enter the wallet address where you want to transfer the cryptos. Since we're transferring it to Binance account, you have to copy the wallet address. So then log in into your Binance account. As you tap on deposit, you have to select the crypto that you want to deposit. So then tap on the crypto that you want to deposit. And once you do that, next interface you'll have the wallet address. And all you have to do is just copy it. And once you're done copying the wallet address, you have to head back to your Cash App account. And once you're done copying, you have to paste the wallet address right over here. And once you're done, tap on next, which is right on top. Now you have to select your withdrawal speed. So you have 3 different options, to select it accordingly. So then you can tap on any of these following options. It will be better if you select on standard as it is free. And once you're done selecting the withdrawal speed, tap on next. Next page, double check all of the information, and if you're sure about it, tap on confirm and send, which is right at the bottom. And once you do that, you'll be notified that you've successfully transferred cryptos. So that is how you can transfer cryptos from Cash App to Binance account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.